Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making delicious chocolate mousse. You're really gonna enjoy it. Let's get started. Chop it off, yeah? The reason for breaking the chocolate is obviously so it easily melts. I'm just gonna add this here into a bowl. Grab a ball. I'm gonna add in the ice. Add in the water. Add another ball on top of there, like so. We're gonna add our double cream on there. Nice and easy. The temperature needs to be cold. Gently whisk it, yeah? So we're going to whisk this until there are soft peaks on the top. As you can see, it's getting nice and thick. There are soft peaks now. So I'm just gonna finish here. So we need egg whites of 3 large eggs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna break this open. Just the egg whites, yeah? Alright guys. Using a mixer, we're just gonna whisk this up. So let's go. While mixing this, we're just gonna start adding some sugar. Again, as you can see, it's nice and fluffy now. Alright guys, we're gonna add our chocolate in there. Using a whisk, we're just gonna fold that in. Look at that, beautiful. Once the chocolate is fully incorporated, we're just gonna add our whipped cream in there. Nice and easy. There you go, look at that, beautiful. Again, fold that in. Look at that. Delicious. Let the mousse rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours before serving. Have a little taste. Look at that. Wow. The mousse has now rested, so I'm just gonna serve in this ramekin. Just a touch of cocoa on the top. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Look at that. Take a bite from here. Bismillah.
Perfect.
Wow. Delicious. Make sure you definitely try it. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos. Any suggestions, please leave them down below. Salam.